like a very, very deep thing, you know what I'm saying, like to get into. So, basically, after that, yo, it's Tajtheceo, and I'm back with another video. How y'all like that new intro? I think I'm gonna start using it. I think I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I said in the last one, think I might just stick with it. But anyway, besides the intro, man, how y'all doing today? You know what I'm saying? Basically, today with this video, I'm gonna just do some talking, just me and y'all, camera, person to camera, Tajtheceo to camera, CEO to CEO crew, whatever y'all wanna call yourselves, whatever, man. So basically, I'm just do some rambling real quick with you guys. I'm gonna let y'all know what's like going on with me, why I haven't really been posting, what I've been doing, because like I kind of told you guys, but not really. So I give y'all a quick rundown on like what I'm doing. So basically, if you guys don't know, I moved down here to Nevada and everything about a few months ago, say like March or whatever. So I moved down here in March. And ever since I got here, I just been chilling. I went on a cruise, as you guys seen, which was fun. I went to California, so I just been traveling and stuff. But now it's time for me to get a job and everything. So I worked at U-Haul. I ended up getting injured or whatever, like outside of work, like I was hooping, and this dude had kneed me, bro. He put me down, bro. Like, I was hurt, man. For the people that know, I got something wrong with my leg, and he hit my leg and messed me up. That's another story for another day. But so basically, I had to leave there. I had to quit because I had to bring a doctor's note, and I didn't have a doctor's note to bring. So basically, of course, I had to leave. So I left that job, and then I just didn't have a job for a while. So I was just, playing basketball and stuff. And I was like, man, I need to do something. So basically, before I left, I moved down here from Indiana, if y'all didn't know. So basically, before I left Indiana, whatever. I was like, dang, I want to do real estate, and I always wanted to like flip houses. I always used to watch like the Flip My House and everything. So I'm like, bro, this is cold, man. Like, I want to do that myself. Like, let me build my own house. Let me like construct my own house or something like that. So I was like, why not? You know what I'm saying? So I came down here and I was like, I'm just do real estate. So I sat down. I looked on my phone. I was like, okay, let me check out the prices. So I looked it up. It was like $400. So I'm like, $400 just to go to school, and then also it said it was like a month program. So I'm like, hold on, it's only a month. $400, and then I get my real estate license. Why not just do this? So I paid the $400 from like when I was working at U-Haul or whatever. Paid that money, and then after that, I started going to classes and everything. So I'm going to class. I'm like, dang, man, I did not know it was so much stuff to real estate. I didn't know it was all these terms, all these things you could do, all types of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Just real estate is like a very, very deep thing. You know what I'm saying? Like to get into. So basically, after that, So basically, after I had started there and everything, I was going to classes weekly. We had like 4 different subjects we had to do. I also got like the DVDs or whatever, like they're basically like audio DVDs or whatever we could listen to. But it was like 4 different subjects we listened to. One of them was finance. It was like real property and personal property. Then the other one was like finance and appraisal. The other one was Nevada law, and then the other one was national law. So I had to learn all those within a week span and everything, and then I take an online test or whatever, and it gets me certified. And I'm gonna actually show you guys the certificate real quick. This is my beautiful certificate, as you guys can see. Yeah, I'm gonna put that in the camera for you guys. You see Taj Taylor Certificate Education, keep really whatever, blah blah blah. So as you can see, that says I passed what I need to pass in order to get my license. So as of right now, I'm working at I Love Kickboxing, as you guys seen in the last video. I'm working there right now, and I'm just working so that I can get the $100 and I can go pay, so I can go take the test and then become a real estate agent. Now I know a lot of y'all like, wait, so you gonna do kickboxing and real estate agent? Yes, I am. So I plan on finding a good brokerage or whatever and everything that can teach me and train me through the ropes and everything, and help me start build and learn more, because going to class and everything is cool. You know what I'm saying, of course, and it's always good to learn all that, terminology and stuff, but it's nothing like, actually going out there and selling. Like, I went door to door for 5 months, but that's totally different from selling a house than, selling either cable or phone or internet or whatever, just nobody. So that's what I'm doing right now, and when I get that license, y'all, it's gonna be some real good banger videos coming out. I actually have another channel that I started. well, that I'm about to start for my real estate. So you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna start, you know, linking that and everything in the following videos, and then you guys can start following that, start seeing the houses that I start displaying for everybody, start seeing my open houses, and y'all gonna go through the process with me, man. We gonna grow together, you know. And also, you know, I'm gonna be like the first 20-year-old agent, you know, like I know personally. Like I don't know anybody my age that's like 20, that's a real estate agent, or that's really like in a career or something like that, like right now, for real. So you know, that'd be a big accomplishment for me. And then like in my family, I'll be like the first real estate agent on my dad's side, and like the second on my mom's side. But like the other person that's on my mom's side, she don't really even like, she's not really even in our immediate family, so I don't really count that. But you know what I'm saying, I'll be like the first real estate agent really in the whole thing. So that's pretty good, or to be 20 years old to be a real estate agent. But you know, that's pretty much it for this video too, guys. You know, keeping it short and simple, just letting you guys know what's going on in my day, in my life, and everything, you know. But just keep liking, keep subscribing, keep commenting. You know, I appreciate everybody and all the support. Just keep it going, man. We actually gonna shoot for 200 subs. Let's shoot for 200 subs, and by the time we hit that, I'm been a real estate agent. You know, we can get some better videos out for y'all. Hopefully I can even get some public interviews and pranks out for you guys. I know I keep saying this and I keep saying it, and y'all like, dang man, this man ever gonna drop a prank? Yes, it's gonna come, man. I'm just waiting for the perfect time to get somebody. Okay, I'm not naming no names, I'm not naming who I'm gonna get, but I'm just waiting for the perfect time to get somebody. So when that time comes, y'all will get that fire prank. And also for those public interviews, I think I might end up doing it with my homie Dash Dono. And if y'all don't know Dash Dono, I'm gonna pop him up, you know, right here, actually right here. And you know, go sub to him, man. He does anime, you know, he has the best channel. His editing is crazy, man. Go support my man's David Dash Dono. Actually, go support my man's. And yeah, y'all, you know, be ready for some more videos, man. I'm gonna stop slacking on y'all, and I'm gonna keep them coming for y'all. All right, y'all, take it easy, and I'm gone. Yeah.